Hello, everyone. Welcome back to SN English Practice.
Today, we are going to learn
When to use S and ES, when to use do and does. The complete formula of the simple present tense. More than 50 practice sentences. If you are confused about using S, es, do, and does while speaking English, then this lesson is for you. Let's begin.
Part 1. S or ES rule. In the simple present tense, we add S or ES to the verb when the subject is
he, she, it, or a singular name. Examples. I play cricket.
He plays cricket.
We read books.
She reads books.
They watch TV.
He watches TV. Now, when do we add es?
if a verb ends with
O, CH, SH, SS, X, or Z.
we add es. Examples:
Go. Goes. Watch.
watches,
Wash. Washes. Fix. Fixes. Pass. Passes. Buzz. Buzzes.
Part 2. Do or does.
use do with I, re, you, they.
Examples.
Do you play football? Do they live here? Do we need help?
Use does with.
she, he, it. Examples:
Does he play football? Does she speak English?
important rule.
After does, always use the first form of the verb.
Example:
Does he goes to school? Does he go to school? Does she plays cricket? Does she play cricket?
Part 3. Simple present tense formula.
Positive sentences.
Subject plus verb plus object. Examples: I eat food. She eats food.
He goes to school.
Negative sentences. Subject plus do, does plus not, plus verb. Examples: I do not drink tea. She does not drink tea. He does not play cricket. Question sentences. Do, does plus subject plus verb. Examples: Do you like coffee? Does she live here? Does he speak English? Practice sentences.
I go to the park every day. He goes to the park every day. She goes to school every day. We do not tell lies. Do you drink tea? Does she speak English? He reads books. They play cricket. Does he come daily? I wake up early in the morning. She drinks milk. Do you know me? Does he know me? We practice every day. She watches TV. Fill in the blanks. When he to school every day. 2. She like coffee. 3. They cricket. 4. She English. 5. He come here. Answers. Excellent! Today you learned the S and E's rule, the do and does rule, the simple present tense formula, daily use practice sentences. Now, practice these sentences at least 5 times every day to improve your English speaking skills. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.